Hi, I'm Heather from Strings and Threads. Welcome back to my channel. I'm so glad you're here. Today is the first week of Battle of the Stitches for the month of July in 2026. And Battle of the Stitches is a collab that Teresa at Critters Crochet and I have been doing actually for several years now. We have so much fun with it, we just don't want to stop. But we choose a stitch from this book, 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracy Toddhunter. And we've been going in order of the stitches from the book. And we do a tutorial the first week of how to make the stitch. Then Teresa and I and up to 2 other guests. So if you would like to participate with us, let us know. And you could just contact me or Teresa. We both have our emails in our description. But then once we put the stitch out, we create our own project using that stitch. And the second Wednesday of the month, we do a sneak peek of what our project is. The third Wednesday of the month, we reveal what we made and put up a tutorial so you can make one too. And then we have a voting poll. You can vote for your favorite. We do a live the last week. And at the live, we choose somebody from the voting poll to be the winner of one of the projects. And you get to choose which project. So that's just kind of it in a nutshell. I'll go through each week's details as we do it. This month, the stitch is called Woven Fans. It's stitch number 31 in the book, I'm sorry. And I'm putting out a tutorial on how to do that. I'll have that linked in my description. I wanted to mention we also have a Facebook group. I have that linked down below. Make sure you come and join us there. We post projects that anybody does. Anybody can make a project with that month's stitch and then post it on the Facebook group. So if you're not interested in making videos, you can go over there and we can still share projects and share ideas and have a lot of fun. Thanks for watching. I will see you next week for the sneak peek. Bye.